To prime my eyelids for the eyeshadows, I'm applying this Pro Longwear paint pot from MAC all over my lids. Next, I'm taking the Sigma tapered blending brush and apply the soft rosy color of my NARS contour kit as an eyeshadow base all over my lids. Using the same blending brush from my BH Cosmetics 120 color palette, I'm picking up this warm orangey brown color and start applying it into my crease. With the Sigma tapered blending brush E40, I blend everything out. So next, I'm picking up this more ash brown color from the BH Cosmetics 28 Neutral palette and apply it into my crease. And again, blend everything out. For my lower lash line, I'm going to be using my MAC 219 brush and apply the same warm orangey brown color I have applied on my eyelids. To give more depth, I also apply a small amount to the outer corner of my eyelids and blend everything out. So next, I'm taking again this ash brown color and apply it on my lower lash line. And blend it out. So now it's time to give my eyes this golden glow. I give my MAC 239 brush a spritz of MAC Prep and Prime Fix Spray and dab this golden creamy eyeshadow from MAC on my eyelids. To add the smoky eye look, I'm taking this dark brown creamy eyeliner from NYX and apply it on my lash line. And this doesn't need to be precise as we're gonna smudge it out after. So now I'm taking this Q-tip and smudge everything out. Next, I'm applying the same dark brown creamy eyeliner on my lower lash line. With the same MAC 239 brush, I blend everything out. And to make the smoky eye look complete, I apply the same dark brown creamy eyeliner on my waterline. To give my eyes more of a cat eye, I'm drawing a small wing on the outer corner of my eyes and after smudge it out. To finalize the smoky eye look, I'm again picking up the soft rosy color of my NARS contour kit and apply it with a clean MAC 239 brush right under my eyebrows. Correcting the eyebrows. This is my favorite step, applying mascara. I'm using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which I'm absolutely in love with as it gives my lashes so much volume and density.